Why sand is crucial for trains. Most people think of brakes and bumpers as the most important safety features on a light railcar. These are crucial components, but there are other, less evident systems that play just as significant roles in maintaining safe and efficient train operations. Many people may be surprised to learn that one such technique uses sand. You may ask why light rail carriages transport hundreds of pounds of sand. The explanation is traction control, which works similarly to how people store sand in their automobiles to prevent slippage in snowy situations. While snow is uncommon in locations like sunny Phoenix, rain is not, and here is where sand comes in handy. Train wheels and tracks are both constructed of metal. Without sand, when a train starts moving, the wheels may spin in place owing to a lack of traction. The spinning creates a lot of heat, which might cause the wheels or railroads to melt. By adding a coating of sand, the wheels get the grip required to carry the train smoothly down the rails. Trains are a staple of global transportation infrastructure, offering several benefits but also presenting distinct operating issues. Maintaining enough traction and braking skills is a critical task, especially in wet or slippery situations. This is where railroad traction sand is essential. This seemingly commonplace substance supplies trains with the necessary friction and grip to operate safely and effectively in all weather conditions. While passengers and bystanders may not realize it, railroad traction sand is critical for improving train performance. It is spread on the rails before the locomotive's wheels to improve traction and braking force. Without sufficient traction, wheels can slip and slide uncontrollably, especially in inclement weather. Traction sand increases the contact between wheels and tracks, avoiding slippage. It also helps to eliminate wear-down deposits from the rails over time, resulting in a clean surface for the wheels to grip. Railroad traction sand must have precise qualities to be successful. It is often tiny, dry, and powdery, making it easy to move through the sandbox pipe on locomotives and spread uniformly. Quartz is a popular material for traction sand because of its great abrasion resistance and durability. Its angular form and hardness make it excellent for providing enough grip. Depending on the performance requirements, certain railroads may employ sands with additional mineral qualities. Sand grains behave as small spikes that dig into the metal rail, increasing contact area and friction. This reduces slippage, especially in rainy weather, and aids with the removal of oil residue, rust, leaves, and other deposits that build along the tracks. Traction sand ensures safe and efficient train handling by maintaining an optimal interaction between wheels and rails. The application of traction sand is a meticulous operation. Sandboxes on locomotives discharge sand into the tracks in front of the wheels as needed. The quantity and timing of sand application are crucial. Too much sand might produce excessive wear on the tracks and wheels, while too little may not give adequate traction. Modern trains frequently include automated systems that monitor conditions and distribute sand as needed to ensure optimal traction. In addition to automatic methods, train operators can manually apply sand when they foresee traction concerns, such as acceleration, braking, or steep inclines. Regular maintenance and inspection of sand delivery systems is required to guarantee that they work properly and effectively. Understanding the value of traction sand goes beyond the technical requirements of train operating. It demonstrates how even basic materials may play critical roles in complex systems. Traction sand helps to improve the overall safety and dependability of train movement by providing the necessary friction and grip, making it an essential component of the railroad business. Rail sand may not be the first thing that springs to mind when you think about trains. It is an important component in maintaining their safe and effective running. Traction sand is essential to the everyday operation of railroads across the world, providing the required traction, minimizing wheel slippage, and keeping clean tracks. Recognizing the significance of this simple substance allows us to obtain a better grasp of the difficulties of rail travel and the inventive solutions that keep it operating smoothly.